I just filled up the water bowl for the birds, and you can't see them because of the weeds. But there's some quail at the water feeder, bird bath. I just filled it up, and here they came. Sweet babies. Sweet babies. Okay, I put all that chicken in the, well, chicken bones and skin in the crock pot. I don't know. That's probably, and let's break it up a little bit. Break it up a little bit. Y'all separate. All right. There we go. And now it cooks. Okay, I have cooked my chicken stock for, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 hours. And I don't have any jars. Oh, yeah, I do. No, I don't. So I'm going to put it in here for now. I'm going to get me some canning jars or some plastic, other kind of plastic. And I am gonna, is this gonna work? I'm gonna scoop it up in there and drain. And I'm gonna make a mess of this if I don't quit filming. So can we do one little spoonful? Oh, looks good. Alright, so you get the ticket. This is what I'm going to do. Spoon the rest of this in here so it can be cooling off. And then I'm going to put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer. So I'm not going to cook anything with this anytime soon. Well, something's been eating on my tomato plant. It was fine last night when I watered it. Now the leaves are gone, gone, gone. Yeah, I don't see anything visible. This one is okay so far. Man. Well, I guess we'll see. Good morning. Just washed my hair. Yeah, I am doing some work in the park today, and I have graduated. Let me show you. I've graduated to some tennis shoes. Those flip-flops were killing me. I'm tired of walking on them. They're hard to walk on in the rocks. I tried to put my boot on, still can't do that, but I have graduated to tennis shoes. Boy, and that is a weird, different kind of walk. Been walking in flip-flops for a month. All right. I'm headed to the office. I gotta learn how to re-walk in shoes. That's a weird feeling. All right, let's go. Welcome back to my tiny home. It's too hot to cook pizza in the RV, so I'm gonna cook it in my little toaster oven. Yeah, this is big. I'm gonna cut this pie pizza crust down to fit on here, and I'll just cook two different times. So this is gonna be the chicken bacon ranch pizza that I showed on or talked about in my meal plan, and I'm using one of the breasts of the rotisserie chicken that I bought, and I'll show you that here in a minute. It's in the refrigerator. Let me get it. Okay, so here's the chicken I'm going to use. The bacon, I cooked this morning, some for breakfast, and then I'm going to crumble that up and put the rest on there. And also cut up some pineapple. So on my half, I'm going to put a little bit of pineapple. And somebody also gave me the idea of artichokes. So I bought this for the fish pasta that I've yet to cook. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this and put some of this on the pizza and then use the other for that meal. So that will be perfect to use this whole can up. So let's get started. I'm going to open up the crust and kind of it's going to hang over a little bit, but the majority of the pizza will be on this, and then I will cook the other half. You have the pitter pat of the little puppies. Pitter pat of the little puppies. Open this up. Little puppies, little puppies, little puppies. You're gonna have to move. Your nose is a little close to the action. Okay. Overhang it just a little bit. I'll show you. I'm gonna cut it right there. Cut it right there. How's that? This pan doesn't go, let me check that's gonna fit in the, I think I'll cut a little bit off the side. You don't have to have round pizza crust, do you? These other ones are gonna be pizza bites. There. Oh. Yeah, that fits in there much better. I don't want the sides touching. Okay. So the ranch is going to be the sauce. And I have some sauce right there, some ranch. Chicken. Oh, here comes the puppy dogs. They're like, what? Chicken? Yeah, chicken. That looks good. Good. Crumble up some bacon. Crumble it up. My side is going to have a little bit of pineapple. I should probably cut this up. Cut it up. Okay, I got the artichokes on there, part of the pineapple on here. Now cheese. Cheese. Never had this kind of pizza before. I bet it's gonna be good. Y'all put in the comments below what your favorite pizza is. Mine is actually a veggie pizza. If I am gonna put any meat on it, it would just be pepperoni. I do like Canadian bacon and pineapple, but most of the time it's just veggie. If I go somewhere to eat or call in a pizza, I just get their veggie pizza. Like lots of veggies. So this will be a first. Chicken pizza. All right, I think that's enough. I also cut up some lettuce and tomatoes in case we want to garnish the pizza with some of that on top. With a little bit of ranch. Chicken salad pizza. Okay, let's look at it. Oh, I think it's done. I need a little pad. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looking good. I think I'm gonna turn off the oven just so it can sit there until Deborah gets here for lunch. All right, there it is. That half anyway. Well, before I cut it, I'm gonna do a little bit of, or maybe we'll just dip it. Because I think it's gonna come out in globs. Yep. We'll just dip it. Okay, I kicked mine up a notch. I put some of this on there, the garlic jalapeno, then lettuce, tomato, and then the ranch. Yeah. Oh, and dried onions. I had some laying around over here that I need to eat. So I put some of that on there too. Just keep adding to it.